Today I decided to do a kind of a road trip out to a spot here in Idaho called Initial Point. And the cool thing about this spot here is that every single property in Idaho starts from this one spot. This is where it's measured from. And the cool thing with that, which I just learned last week, was that pretty much every single state has an initial point where everything is measured from. So this is this one, yeah, thought it might be cool to check it out. So here's a little placard that tells you its initial point, April 1867. It's a little bit windy out here, and it's crazy cold as usual as well. And there she is. Says the start of all land surveys in Idaho. Initial point. With an amazing view all around. So there we go, that's that. Part of the reason I wanted to come out here was because I got a new lens, the Sigma, the Sigma 150 to 600 Sport. And I was gonna use it for, animal, landscape, but yeah, nature photography, I guess in general, especially being out here in Idaho, there's a lot of that. And so I thought I'd try my hand, if you will, at that. I tested it out yesterday and I was pretty happy with it. Here's a few of those photos, but I'm gonna be doing more of that. And so I'm gonna try and actually do some more today too. Maybe tomorrow too, but I don't know. Anyways, yeah, so you'll be seeing more of that, but I just thought this was a cool spot to hike up to. It's a short drive, like a half hour from Boise. So it's pretty quick to get to, and it's kind of an interesting spot. Last stop of the day, I stopped at a bird blind that I think I mentioned to you guys before, but anyways, I'm here now. I'm grabbing just a few bird shots. Again, trying out my lens because I don't want to be left in a situation where I'm out in the wilderness and there's some cool elk or something, and then I don't get the shot because I don't understand my gear. So anyways, practice makes perfect. That's what I'm doing, just grabbing a few shots.